So my Mono's bag cracked. Super bummed because I really like the bag, and it cracked just on the edge but by the wheel. And so we were going from Turkey back to Bulgaria, and I really want my bag back and I want it proper, and I'm like praying for the best that the warranty actually works. I don't actually trust it, but let's see what happens.
Have some faith.
I'll have faith.
It's gonna work. It's gonna work.
Maybe. Making the claim, so let's see if we actually get a new bag or not. Look what I have. Okay, so I'm super impressed because the other bag broke. They sent us a new bag and it came like 3 days later.
Yes.
I think the money for the bag is definitely worth it. We got it because of the warranty, and I kind of thought it was gonna be BS, honestly. But, I mean, brand new, sealed. Let's go on another trip.
Oh, you think it's the same color?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, okay. We'll see.
We'll see.
Okay.
All right, so here is
We're
our
ready for unboxing.
check-in large Mono. Let's go. Nice little, what's that called? A dust bag? Ooh, so fancy. Yeah. All right, you want to give us a little tour of how pretty it is? You can figure out how to open it? Yep. Okay, we figured it out.
It's like, woohoo, pull it. These are the freaking best travel bags. The best. Best, best, best. I mean, it's worth every single penny.
And this warranty, I'm living for it.
Oh my god, yeah. So they have extra, whatever, the bags.
Shoe bags.
Which definitely I need.
Yeah. Comes with bag tags too.
Yeah, it does. You didn't know?
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh. That's super cute. And a little too.
Yeah, you want to clean your suitcase?
I definitely need to clean mine because mine is white.
Yeah.
We need to put these on.
Yeah.
Okay. I absolutely love mine. Of course, like super. A lot of space. I love these little adjustable clips.
Me too.
So usually they put like in the other bags, they have this cover, but they don't have it on this side, you know, extra storage. Yeah. Hell yeah. And a little pocket here for jewelry.
I'm impressed.
Me too. I love it, love it, love it.
And the case is great. I mean,
oh yeah.
Wheels are good.
Oh my god. Yeah.
So we highly recommend this company if you're looking for luggage and you're thinking maybe it's too expensive and you're like, should I spend the money? Yes or no? Spend the money? What do you think, babe?
So yes. Bye. Move. Bye.